Good morning, you guys. Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screens once again. I am starting this video very late. It's late in the day. It's like 9ish. People are clubbing. I mean, if you can hear sound, just know that there are things happening out there, and now I am busy here sitting down recording so that I can have content. But anyway, I am going to be attempting a twist out today, and we're going to see how my ends are going to perform. Literally right now I'm just worried about my ends, like how will this twist out look with my ends in the condition that they are in at the moment. Okay, you guys, so like I mentioned the other time that nowadays my wash days take very long to to come to an end, because I have to run like errands in between, have to pick up dinner, have to do this, have to do that, and then sometimes I just give up midway, so that's what I did. So my hair hasn't been moisturized in about a day or so. I washed it, left it as is, been wearing like a duke, whatever, just to get along with life. And the products we're going to be using in today's video, again, call me an ode to the motherland girl, because I love her products. So we're going to be using the Squeal. This is the leave-in conditioner. She's thick, she smells amazing. I have been loving her since the day I got my hands on it, which was I think the beginning of December, if not like end of November. I have been loving this product with my dream mist that is actually finished. Like, this is actually a disgrace. I need another one ASAP because I love this. This is almost finished, but it's okay. I have just water in here. If I'm in the mood, I will go make like hibiscus, but I'm not in the mood. It's late at night, like I said, and I'm going to be using Unicorn Tears. There isn't an oil, which is the secret, you guys. If you want a super defined twist out or 3-strand twist or whatever the heck, whatever twist out, if you want to wear your hair out, stay away from oils, because oils actually weigh down your hair. So hence why I won't be using any oils in today's video. These products, both of them are quite thick, so I cannot be heavy-handed. I cannot afford to be heavy-handed. And because I'm attending an event tomorrow, actually a birthday party, I have to sit under my hooded dryer tonight and in the morning, because I know my hair, she is thick, she's not gonna get dry, and I don't want to be the girl that natural hair will embarrass you. Like, you could be in front of people and it could be shrinking because the roots are not dry. So I don't want to be that girl tomorrow. I actually want to be material girl. I want to be a material girl tomorrow. I actually want to look cutie. I will actually come here, show you guys my look of the day, show you, because I actually have a jumpsuit. This jumpsuit was big and I lost weight, so I needed to go get it altered, but the guy kind of ruined it for me. Hey, but we're gonna make it work regardless. And yeah, so let us see what's going on under my, so I did go wet my hair again, just so it's easy for me to move around my hair. I prefer it wet all over. My microfiber towel never wants to come off my head. So if I'm looking scary, don't be scared. This is how I sometimes look. Okay, so it's feeling very soft. I think the deep conditioners did what they needed to do. So let's just grab some of this hair. You're gonna need some clips. You always need clips. If you have natural hair, I would suggest that you invest in some sort of clips, because it's going to make your life so much easy, you guys. Trust me when I say that. My hair is looking very nice. I absolutely love how it looks like. This is how my hair looks like without any product in it whatsoever. We don't have any product in here. It's looking very healthy, if I would say. Guys, if you sometimes see my dog's hair in my hair, don't be shocked. You guys know I have a dog, right? She has white hair. Her hair could be in mine because she sleeps in the house. So first things first, I'm going to take whatever is left of this dream mist, mist my hair a little bit, and this dream mist smells really nice. And then I'm going to follow that up with the Squeal, a little bit of it, because I don't want to wear my hair down tomorrow. I want it to be as fluffy as possible tomorrow, and I want the hairstyle to actually last the whole day. So I will be making my twists very tight. Also, you guys, that's a new way. That's how not a new way, but that's how I actually this is how I take out like shed hairs. I do this instead of, I know a lot of people separate their hair to get like some of the hairs out. You can definitely do that, but at the end, instead of you like tucking your hair like this and breaking it, rather fluff it out with your fingers like this. You guys know that I am the queen of finger detangling, So yeah, then I'm gonna go in with the sequel. She is green. Not the sequel, Unicorn Tears. She's green, and then once she's absorbed, she just disappears into your hair. And I'm just gonna focus a bit on my ends because look at that. I am just massaging the product in and my curls are already coming out. Like they're already forming, you can see the definition is there. Like this is what I love about Oats products. Like they are so good. They are so good. Like they instantly just improve your hair. Whether you like it or not, your hair is gonna get improved. And then look at that. Oh, isn't she just a beauty? You know, for ends that we were saying we should snip off, I don't know if we should, you guys. They're looking quite healthy. I'm going to be doing a very tight twist. The reason for this is because I want this hair to come out like the girl I know she can be, and I need her to show up for me tomorrow because I can't afford any flops, you know. So we are going to, I feel like this was quite uneven. Look at this side is very thin and this side is very thick. That means I have to start over again because this hair was not equal from the get-go, and it's going to give me a problem at the ends. Okay, so if you did a mistake and you feel like you didn't share equally, just start from scratch. Yeah, that feels about right now. Okay, then I'm going to do that. Just twist. You guys, I think I have taught you how to twist. Comment down below and say Tshidi taught me how to twist, and since then, or rather I have taught you how to improve your twisting skills, or I have taught you how to twist. Let me know because I like it when people are just like, yeah, you helped me with this X, Y, and Z. It makes me feel like, oh, okay, at least people are actually watching my content, you know. And that's it. You see, this is it. This is how my hair looks like. She's looking healthy. The ends are looking quite nice, not gonna lie, but we will see tomorrow when I take him out. We'll see tomorrow. I feel like maybe, I don't know, maybe I should do a 3-strand twist first just to give me some length, or I should just leave it as a twist and then tomorrow it's gonna look very chunky. And I don't know, right now I don't know how to feel, but I like my twisting skills. I don't know if, like, I'm talking about the roots, by the way, you guys, these roots, I don't know if I should make them any like tighter or something. I don't know, I'll see. But I'm not gonna stress myself out too much. I am gonna go finish the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna come here with a full face, new outfit, new me. The sun is gonna be out, we're gonna have better lighting, better everything, and then I'm gonna undo my hair with you guys in the morning. So I will see you tomorrow. Your girl will probably be looking cutie, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, I have a lot of work to do. Good morning, you guys. I'm quickly just coming to show you that I'm done. If you've seen the ring light, just know I didn't set up properly, but wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like. Super defined. I just let it air dry and then fluffed out the ends, and that's basically it. That is basically it. This is the look of the day. Yeah, you know, if you've never seen me looking all dolled up, then this is your chance, my darlings. This is your chance to take it all in. Oh yes, I look gorgeous. I look like my skin is, and I'm wearing like this jumpsuit thing. Oh, you guys can't see it. I'll take like full-size pictures and then insert it somewhere here. But anyway, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definition is on fleek, and yeah, bye.